Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and as we move on towards 2021, another thing that we'll be looking at is, of course, the browser. The Microsoft Edge browser Chromium version was introduced this year, and of course it's a complete overhaul of the Edge browser that used to be very unique and based on a different technology. So Microsoft scratched the original browser and decided that it was time to actually use a browser that was in a more standard, an open standard called Chromium. A lot of people mistaken this for Google Chrome. Not the case. Open standard Chromium. You can do what you want with it. And of course, it's slowly taking its part in the browser. It is a fast and very nice browser. It is being tweaked to really basically get as good and as fast as possible. Right now, as of this video today, December 11th, we are at version 87 of the Microsoft Edge standard browser. And this browser, of course, is going to be updated throughout the year 2021. One of the things to note is that for those wondering if there are some older features of the original Edge coming back, for example, the set tabs aside, apparently not, but you know, there's a new thing called basically the collections feature, which is a different thing. So that's going to be probably replacing set tabs aside. Now it's not the same, it's a little different, but it's something to look at. It promises to be, according to Microsoft, the best PDF reader you'll have. Already in the Canary and Dev channel versions, we're seeing that they're adding a lot to PDF viewing, annotations. You know, you'll be able to write on the PDFs and even sign documents that are PDF. So this is nice because, you know, we used to need a third-party PDF reader for this to actually work. And one of the promises, and they're tweaking a lot, and actually it's interesting because Google is actually taking a few lessons from Microsoft's Chromium project by looking at how Microsoft deals with battery usage. And this is kind of nice because in the latest versions, one of the things that is happening in the Edge browser is that a little bit like Chrome, right now, Google Chrome, the tabs that are unused are going to take as little energy and space as possible. One of the things that is being tweaked a lot in the Edge browser is how efficient it can be with battery power and memory usage. So all of that is being looked at. Now, will Microsoft Edge take off in 2021? Since starting with the October 2020 update, we now have officially, the Edge browser is officially the only browser that Microsoft is bundling. Well, it's not bundling the browser with it. It comes through a Windows update. But, you know, it's anyone's guess of how much market share it will actually take. It's interesting because, I mean, Windows is more than 1 billion machines. It could technically take a lot of the market share if it really was adopted. But, you know, people tend to keep and use what they are used to. In this case, Google Chrome is more than 70%. And people stick with what they like and what they use every day. But I think it's worth it for anyone to at least take a look and take a peek at the Microsoft Edge browser because it is a very decent browser and works extremely well. It's my main browser personally, and I really find it quite nice. So we'll see in 2021 where we're going with the different versions, what they're going to add. It's like Windows 10. It's a work in progress. There's always something new that's going to be tweaked and changed over time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.